Let's begin with an extremely popular phrase which is often used in TV shows and films to take a rain check on something. You can use it to mean you are refusing an offer or invitation which you might accept later. Let's go to the party, it will be awesome. Can I take a rain check? I have a lot of work tonight. Or would you mind if I take a rain check on that? Number two, if you want to refuse to take part in an activity, for example, a dance or a game or something else, you can say, I would like to sit this one out. Thanks though. Number three, maybe someone wants you to perform a task, but you know that you will be blamed if something goes wrong, and something will definitely go wrong because the people you will be working with are highly irresponsible. You can say then, I would rather not, but I appreciate you thinking of me. Number four, maybe someone you don't like wants to meet you. You can say then, I have to decline this one, but let's catch up another time. Or perhaps you want to say, you do not want something that is offered to you. I appreciate it, but I'll have to pass. It can be a food item too, that's there on the menu, but you do not want to eat it. Thanks, but I think I'm going to pass on palak paneer if you don't mind. And that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. I would really appreciate it if you could click the like button before you leave. It will help me out immensely. If you want to support me and my channel, you can do that by being a member of this channel. You can use the join button for that. You can also support me by buying my debut collection of poems, Lucid Dreams. I have given you the link to the ebook version in the description. I hope you enjoy reading my poems. Thanks for watching.